We are slowly entering the month of August. The summer days are still long, and I love heading out early in the morning when I'm all alone. There is something unique about watching the world wake up. The birds become a little more active. A few joggers run by as the sun rises over the horizon. This month is always a little extra special for me. This is when I usually head into the woods and go blueberry picking. I have noticed that the city I recently moved to has an overflow of raspberries. I watch them for weeks, waiting patiently until they get ripe and I am able to pick them. The past years, my mother and I would go blueberry hunting together, finding secret spots and peeking for hours. But this year, ever since I've moved, I haven't been able to go back home. And I can't help but feel a little sad that I won't be able to cook blueberry jam with her this year. I am used to moving around, and I've handled it quite easily in the past. I've always had a goal and a place to meet new people and make new friends, but for some reason I've struggled ever since arriving in the new city. I am using every day to readjust to my new life, and some days are easier than others. And I'm trying to let go and accept that it's okay to adjust to my new lifestyle at a slower rate than what I've done in the past. Days I can spend in nature gives me new energy. And days I can spend in the kitchen when I can cook something from scratch, such as raspberry jam, gives me time to live in the moment. And it gives me a reward in form of fulfillment, of providing food that I'm able to use when colder days are approaching, and I need a reminder from the warm and long summer days. Harvesting and cooking the raspberries into something delicious is such a simple act, but has such a huge impact on my well-being. The process from picking the berries until the finished product is such a special feeling, and I can't help but feel a rush of happiness and look forward to try it when I'm done cooking. will try to fill my days with things that makes me happy and find something positive in every day. And eventually, I know that I will get used to the changes and I will focus on not being as hard on myself, as things will get easier over time.